Okay, in this video, I want to talk about tips. Tips are very important to people that work in the restaurant industry. They do not get paid very much hourly and they depend on tips. Tips are additional money that's given to a worker, such as a waiter or a waitress, who performs a service for you. Usually, when you go out to a restaurant, you tip 15%. That's the standard. But if it's good service, you can leave more money. And if it's bad, obviously, you can leave less. But let's talk about how to determine how much we're going to tip. If your total bill was $42 and you tipped 15%, how much would the tip be? And how much would the total paid be? And I want to point out that another word for tip, you might also see the word gratuity. Gratuity means a tip, okay? And so let's see. The first thing we're going to do is we always change our percent to a decimal. So we're going to change 15% to 0.15. And then we're going to multiply the 0.15 by our original bill of $42. So we're going to do 14 times 0.15. And that gives us $6.30. So $6.30 is what we are going to leave for the tip. How does that affect our total bill? Well, it's going to make it bigger because we're adding to it. We are taking our $42 bill, $42, and we are adding the $6.30 to it. And so when we leave the restaurant, we will have paid $48.30. So a tip is going to we're adding that to the original bill. So the total paid is $48.30. Okay, let's do one more example. So let's say we have a menu here. Okay, and you and your friend order, I'm going to put this right here. You and your friend order chicken flautas and a big burrito. You decide to give a 15% tip. How much is the tip amount and how much is the total bill paid? Well, the first thing we have to do is figure out how much are the chicken flautas. That's $8.95 here. Let me write that down here. $8.95 plus we have a big burrito. Okay, so the big burrito is $10.29. When we add these up, we must line up the decimals. Extremely important to line up the decimals. So my friend and I have now ordered $19.24 worth of food, and we like the service and we want to give a 15% tip. So remember, we're always going to change that 15%. We change it to 0.15. We change it to a decimal, and then we're going to multiply the original bill with the 0.15. And we will get one, two, three, four. Okay, so 2.886. Remember, we're going to round, always round to the thousandths place. So that rounds to 2.89. $2.89 is what we are going to leave as the tip. And so we're going to have to add that to the $19.24 that we were going to pay for the total bill. And that gives us $22.13 is our total bill paid. Okay, and that includes the original amount of the $19.24, and then it also includes the $2.89 tip, which is 15%. Hopefully you're starting to see a trend here with tips and taxes. You find you convert that percentage to a decimal, multiply it by the original amount, and then add it to the original amount, and that will give you your total bill paid. And always, always leave those big tips because those waiters and waitresses deserve it. All right, guys, have a great day.